The Oakhurst is now gone. And introducing a fan that took a pretty long time to hang up. Centreville. The Harbor Breeze Centreville, 52 inches in size. It has just been installed in our house. And, yeah. I'm going to show you around. Here's the light kit. The blades of the fan were the hardest part because they were super uncomfortable to put on. There's the Harbor Breeze logo. On the packaging, it says that it goes from, I think this is nutmeg to cocoa. And that's what it said on the package. I'm not sure if that's actually true, but I'm just assuming it is. As you can see, these pole chains used to be on the Oakhurst, but now they're on this. Here's the light. You can see this is like a hugger version of the Honeywell. It's just slightly different. Anyways, here's the low. I don't know why, it takes a little bit to get up to speed. And it feels like it's moving pretty slowly, but it's not moving as slow as the Oakhurst is. This is about the same speed as the Oakhurst on low. At least when it was getting up to speed, but when it gets up to speed, it will be a little bit faster. We had to go through a lot of chaos. You can see there's ladders here, the table's moved. There's the Hunter Oakhurst right there. That's at least the motor part. And this is the brand new Centreville. Low with the light. Medium. This is medium speed. You can see the Honeywell from over here too. This fan is pretty great. And it's such a relief that it has been finally installed. Medium with the light on. Finally, high speed. This goes a lot faster than the Oakhurst did, I believe. It is blowing a lot of air. I'm so... Yeah, I want to go on this fan now because I am kind of exhausted right now. Here's high. High with the light on. You can see that. It doesn't... I mean, it does have a slight wobble to it, but it's not really that bad. It does have a slight wobble to it, but it's not that bad, so we're not going to worry about it. Turn off by this. Whoops. I accidentally tripped over carpet. Turn it off by the switch. Medium, low, light on. Just setting it to like a natural speed. Low with light on. And yeah, this fan, I think it's going to have a pretty long spin down. But who knows? Maybe it can last longer than the Glendale. Maybe the Glendale will be a champion of the spin down. So still. Words can't describe of how happy I am to have the fan in the dining room finally actually working and spinning again without any assistance of hand pushing. Because the Oakhurst has been broken for over 5 years. Like I mentioned in a few videos ago. So yeah, this fan is still going. The reason why I say it's a hugger version of the Honeywell because it has probably more things in common with the Honeywell than the Oakhurst ever had. One noticeable thing that is different is that the Centreville is completely ventless. Yeah, the Honeywell over there has vents. I'm going to make a both in one shot video, but I'm probably going to do it after my grandma goes to bed. I'm not trying to insult grandma or anything, but just, you know. In fact, this is not the first time I have seen a Centreville. before I've seen a Centreville in 42 inch, and this is a Centreville in 52 inch. Okay, the fan is almost stopped. Okay, that is it for the Centreville. Actually, I might put it on medium, and that way it can match more with the Honeywell. That's basically it for the Centreville. And now I have showcased 4 fans. The Centreville. Let me turn the light. There we go. So that is the video of the Harbor Breeze Harbor Breeze Centreville 52 inch in size. Really hope that you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And huge credits to my grandma for installing the Centreville. It took a long time, but it's finally up there. Thanks for watching.